Hi guys, Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we're going to be doing a OEM plinth delete on a EQE 350 and trying to shrink this big box down to something like this. But before we get into it, let me explain a few things. There are two styles of plinths that come with the EQE. One is the smaller plinth and one is the Euro size plinth. So we're going to have two parts to suit this vehicle. If you have this big Euro size OEM plinth, you'll need option A. If you have this size of plinth, a slightly smaller one, you're going to need an option B plinth. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is remove the number plate from the oversized OEM plinth so that we can get to the screws holding the oversized OEM plinth on. So to remove this plinth, you're going to need a T20 Torx bit to remove the 3 screws, like so. Now, before we get into showing you how to install our miniature plinth, let me explain why we have two parts. So if your car comes with this plinth here, they have 3 different mounting holes. So you're going to need part B, where there's no locating knob to go into this hole. If your car comes with a big Euro size box, they have 3 different mounting holes, and it will have a hole here, and this plinth part A will have a locating knob to go into it. And as you can see, because this car came with a different plinth, this doesn't go into anything because there's no hole. And that is why you need a slightly different plinth to fit onto your bumper. So to install it's pretty easy. Place your plinth over the center grommet and it'll self-locate for you. Grab a riding instrument to mark out your 2 holes that you need to drill. And drill your 2 holes with a 3mm pilot drill bit. And then send in your screws. We also provide you the screws to plug up these holes, so it's not just an open hole. All right, moving on to the second part of the installation. You will need to get a matching number plate bracket that matches the size and style of your number plate to bolt onto the miniature plinth. So it is a 2-part mounting solution. You will need a bracket purchased with a plinth for you to complete the system. You can't buy this separately. So for example, if you had a Euro plate, you get a Euro premium bracket and bolt it on. If you had a standard plate, you'd get a standard bracket and bolt it on. And if you had a heritage number plate, you get a heritage bracket and bolt it on. But for today, we're bolting on some really nice slimline plates. And for that, you'll need our SL2 slimline bracket. The last step is to get your number plates onto the bracket. And if you choose to, you can option, like this customer, some security screws. There you go, guys. Cleanest way to mount number plates onto an EQE SUV. Now, I know there was a lot of information to digest, so I'll summarize for you. Firstly, this is a 2-part mounting system, so you can't buy the miniature plinth by itself. You have to buy the matching number plate bracket to complete the 2-part mounting solution. And 2, there are 2 parts for the EQE SUV. Part A, or plinth A, will have a locating knob, and that's to suit cars that are issued with the Euro-sized OEM plinth. And part B, or plinth B, will have no locating knob, and that's to suit the oversized plinth that is slightly smaller. All right, guys, I hope you found that video useful and thanks for watching.